This is the homework video for 5/7/15. This is for Thursday night, and for most of you it is the last homework of the week. You are going to do problems 9, 10, 13, 14, and 15, and by now, because I gave this out on Tuesday, you should have all 1 through 15 of these done, and you should be getting really close to the point where you are ready for a quiz next week on how to do this. Okay, so let's take a look at number 9, and the first thing I want you to do is in this space right here, I want you to write down the 2 steps. I'm going to be checking for this. It's part of the secret message. There's 2 steps that you take when you're graphing these. So first, you graph the y-intercept. You're copying this down. And second, you graph the slope. And after you write slope, I want you to write rise, run. Remember, the rise tells you how much to go up or down, and the run tells you how much to go over. Okay, let's take a look at this equation. Negative x plus 3. What's the y-intercept? Hopefully you said that it's 3. So if I graph this, I'm going to go 0, 3, and I'm going to put a point right here at 3. There's my point. Now from this point, I do step 2. I graph the slope, rise and run. I have to start from here. So the slope is -1. -1, I want you to write this down, means -1 over 1. This should be on your paper. I should see it on your paper when I check your homework. This means to go rise down 1, and run 1 over to the right. So this is down 1 and right 1. Write that down. Okay, so now if I do that, if I go down 1 and over 1, there's going to be a point there, and a point there, and a point there, and now I can draw my line. Always use a ruler to draw your line. I'm done. Now I'm on number 10. There is no y-intercept here. It says graph the y-intercept first. So that means you're going to start at 0, 0. Put a point at 0, 0. That's your y-intercept. Now this tells me -5 over 4. That means I'm going to go a rise of down 5, and run over 4. So count down 5 and over 4. And that's going to put you -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm right here on my graph. Then I can use the ruler to connect my 2 points, and there's my line. Number 13. I like it when the fractions are written like this because it makes it easier to see the rise and the run. But first remember that you have to graph the y-intercept of -5. So here's 0, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5. And then this is 7, and this is 4. This is rising up 7 and over right 4. Up 7 over 4. So here's up 5, 6, 7, and over 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you can connect. Okay, so for the next secret message, I'd like you to put a smiley face under number 11, and so it should look, or sorry, that's not number 11, that's number 13. So smiley face under number 13. That was the next secret message. Alright, so now y equals -4/3 x plus something. There's no something, so that means I'm starting at 0. Always start with the y-intercept. And then what does this tell you? It tells you to go up 4 and to the right 3 from 0, 0. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the right 1, 2, 3. Your point's right there. Whoops. And now connect. You should be using your ruler to do that. One more. Okay? at the bottom of your page, write graphing is fun. Graphing is fun. And it's okay with me if you don't really mean it, but it is really fun, and you can do it in 10 seconds or less. So this is some fun, fun stuff. As James would say, fun and interactive. All right, now I'm graphing -1, that's my y-intercept. So here's 0, -1, right there. And now, what does this tell me? Notice there's a negative sign there. This tells me to go down 4, and this tells me right 3, down from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the right, 1, 2, 3. And then use your ruler to connect, and you're done. So next week we'll be having a quiz on this. If you're having any problems with graphing lines with the slope and the y-intercept, please talk to me or Miss Pearson so we can help you out so that you don't feel like you're upset if you fail your quiz. So ask for help. Have a good day, you guys. Bye.